Hello, and welcome to What is Crypto? I'm Matt, and this is Crypto. My channel is about covering anything Bitcoin and crypto related, from meme coins to layer ones to AI projects, anything I think that we can make a buck or two on. So follow along if you want to do well this bull run. Cheers, legends. Let's get into it. So today's video, I'm analyzing some of the previous patterns and what we can expect leading up to the halving and what we can expect after the halving. Obviously, history doesn't repeat, but it does rhyme. So currently we've got a little bit of a pullback. It's currently at 12%. We are sitting at around the 65K mark. Everyone's a little bit frightened, but I thought I would look back at the charts and see what they tell us about what happens before the halving. Note that the halving is currently in 34 days' time, so we are pretty close. Okay, so historically leading up to the halving, there has always been a sell-off. So there's always been a sell-off around the halving or leading up to the halving. So in 2020, we had 4 bars, so this is weekly, so 4 weeks worth of selling, and it dropped 62%. That might have been emphasized by the COVID crash. In 2016, around the time of the halving, we had 6 weeks worth of selling, and it dropped 43%. And in 2012, we only had one red candle, but we'll go 2 weeks where it had a 50% drop. So we have a 60% sell-off, a 40% sell-off, and a 50% sell-off leading up to the halving. So should you sell? Well, no, I'm not going to be, and this is why. So yes, we do have a sell-off before the halving. However, we now have so much institutional investment, so much institutional demand that I don't think we are going to drop 40%. I think we could see a drop of 20, 25%, which would be really scary. But look, if you're in this market, you know the risks. And if you're in this market, you're not here to make 2x, you're here to make, a truckload of money. So what we see happen after the halving, which is in a month's time, historically in 2020, we had a 700% increase in price. In 2016, we had a 2,842% increase in price. And in 2012, we had a 9,750% increase in price. So massive increases in price. Plus, due to the ETF, I don't think we're going to have as much downside. And due to the ETF, although we've got diminishing returns, I think we could have more upside than the trajectory that was initially predicted. I think we're currently at that 65K mark. Old all-time highs were 69K. I don't think something around the 150 to 300,000 mark is beyond the realms of possibility. And that is going to sure as hell pump the bags of all the altcoin holders. So yeah, I wouldn't be selling. I'm not selling. Stay tuned, legends. If you want more content like this, leave me a comment. I'd love to know if you like this stuff or if you just want low cap degenerate plays. But yeah, anyway, love your work. Cheers, appreciate you, and I'll catch you in the next one.